getting freedom through Vivitos. Friends, we all have means of earning. We earn means of earning our livelihood through various processes. But today we are going to learn about the means of earning through a process through which you earn through the blessings of people. Friends, you heard it right. You're going to earn through the blessings of people. How? By giving them the best of the health. And today you're also going to witness a system which has changed thousands of people's of lives throughout the world. There are many millionaires and billionaires who have been created in this history, and where they have become independent entrepreneurs, where people have been doing business worldwide. We're going to talk about a system which has been for over 50 years in the world, and in India it is just the beginning. So this opportunity is going to be an opportunity that's going to be the lifeline for the future millionaires of India. So friends, without wasting much time, let me go directly into the presentation of Vivitos. Okay friends, so welcome everyone to this amazing lifetime opportunity to be healthy as well as wealthy. Okay. Friends, first let's talk about health. So when we talk about health, there are a few important things that we want to really see. Like our body is made up of 10 systems, 11 systems. And unless all the 11 systems work together in a holistic way, we can never say that we are healthy. So today you're going to find out a way where you can maintain your health, get back your health, improve your health by improving all the 11 systems, by giving them what they require. Because God has created our body to be one of the biggest healers. And once you're able to give your body what to heal, your body will start healing itself. So this process of uplifting the body by uplifting all the systems was the brainchild of Dr. Chella. Dr. Chella, who is the chairman of our company for the Medical and Scientific Advisory Board, and he is also the head of our research and development. Dr. Chella is a practicing physician who has finished his MD, and he is currently the state president of the Indian Association of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation for Tamil Nadu. Being a practicing physician, doctor has noticed that today people are willing to spend lakhs of rupees after a sickness comes, but very few people are prepared to prevent those illnesses. He found out that there are two major reasons for that. Number one, lack of awareness. Lack of awareness of how to prevent diseases. And number two is the lack of a genuine product in the market. So he said, he and his team, that we will get the genuine product. And for taking the awareness to the people, he chose the method of word of mouth advertising, which is otherwise called direct selling. Friends, our company, Vivitos, began its journey on 14th of January 2018. And our company is situated, the admin office is in Bangalore. And our company is headed by three major people who have been in networking for over 20 years. Our CEO, Mr. Lazarus Yabes, and our Vice President, Mr. Sam Vijay Praveen, and of course, our COH, Mr. JJ Shriram, each one of them who has more than 20 years of experience in network marketing, and that too product-based networking. So with a combination of 20 years of the product experience and over 60 years of networking experience, our company has been growing by leaps and bounds, and within 1.5 years of commencement, our company, Vivitos, was awarded the fastest growing Indian Company Excellence Award for 2019. And that's not all, my friends. Our company has also been awarded with the Best CEO of the Year 2019 to Mr. Lazarus Yabes. So with all these laurels behind the company, our main strengths, if I talk, our main strengths, number one, is all our products are scientifically proven, naturally derived, traditionally used, authentic authentic health supplements. And all our products are formulated and developed by a team of doctors. And all our products are unique and first of its kind in the world. And most importantly, our company supports and promotes the Indian farming and agricultural community. So we are all in the growth of India as a nation towards the future. Now, coming to our products. Friends, when we started in 2018, we had 2 products, and today we have overall 6 products. So let me take you through our product tour. The first product which was introduced in our company way back in 2018 was OncoBan, a product that takes care of your detoxification, a product that takes care of your protection, and a product that takes care of all the micronutrient supply to your body. So this is a product, friends, which was created way back in 2016 with the research which started in 2003, and a product which contains only the traditional native ingredients which have been used for thousands of years. A product which works as an anti for any type of a disease that is getting into your body, whether it is cancer or allergy. So when I talk about the benefits of our product, friends, the first benefit is OncoBan boosts the immunity of our body. That's exactly what we all require today. Number 2, it helps in detoxification. Friends, today what is incoming is not important. What is outgoing from our body is more important. And OncoBan helps in digestion and absorption of nutrients. It helps in preventing heart disease and cancer. OncoBan prevents arthritis and sleeplessness. OncoBan helps to relieve from menstrual problems. OncoBan helps us to prevent kidney problems. It is good for thyroid and liver health. OncoBan helps us to relieve from lack of hunger and constipation. And OncoBan helps us to reduce depression, stress, and skin disease. OncoBan balances blood sugar levels and helps us protect from nervous disorders. Finally, friends, OncoBan protects our cells from the free radical damage. So when we talk about free radical damage, friends, we know that the free radical damage protection is measured in the form of ORAC. We are proud to say that OncoBan has the highest ORAC value in the world of 24,913 per serving, and this test was done by the Brunswick Laboratories in the USA. So with all these benefits, OncoBan has given people thousands and thousands of testimonials, thousands and thousands of results. If you would like to have a look at the results, okay, you can get into the YouTube, but how to use OncoBan, let me get in before that. See, OncoBan is a product that contains all the micronutrition, so you have to take it 1 sachet in the morning with 250 to 300 ml of normal water and sip it slowly. And for best results, drink a minimum of 3 liters of water per day. That is 2 to 3 sips of water every 20 minutes. Friends, OncoBan is not recommended for children, kidney failure patients, transplant patients, and also pregnant women. So when I said that this is a product that is required by hundreds of people and thousands of people have got the results. If you would like to see the testimonials, all you have to do is get into YouTube and type the product testimonials of Vivitos. You can see hundreds and thousands of videos on the YouTube. So these are testimonials, live testimonials given by the people who have got the benefits from the products of Vivitos. Now, friends, this was OncoBan. And this was launched way back in 2018, and now it is 2020, 2.5 years. Our company prides itself in having one of the best research in the world. And OncoBan, which was started in 2018, today we have the much more advanced system of OncoBan, and that is called the OncoBan O2, which we tell fairly as the ultimate life enhancer, a product that enhances the quality of life of each and everyone who wants to lead a healthy life. So how many of us want to lead a healthy life? Everyone. So all you have to do is start off with OncoBan O2. So OncoBan O2, when I say it's the advanced version of OncoBan, and OncoBan had 16 ingredients with only a syrup and a sachet, but OncoBan O2 has around 22 ingredients in the sachet, and apart from that, we have got around 11 ingredients in the capsule. So it's a combo pack of a sachet as well as a capsule. So when I talk about the overall health benefits of O2, the first thing is O2 helps in preventing Alzheimer's, cancer, and heart disease. And O2 helps to regulate high BP and regulate kidney function. And O2 reduces oxidative stress, and it has antimicrobial and antiviral activity effects. And O2 helps to improve collagen levels, and most importantly, it strengthens the bone and the soft tissues. O2 makes the brain tissue active and improves our memory. And O2 helps us to overcome depression, stress, and nerve disease. And O2 helps in protecting the liver cells and also cleansing the blood. O2 helps in improving dental and gum health. O2 helps enhancing wound healing and improving the skin health. It also supports eye health and stimulates hair growth. And O2 helps to reduce bad cholesterol and control blood sugar levels, and helps in reducing cough and controlling respiratory problems. O2 supports detoxification and prevents constipation. O2 is an excellent support for women's overall health. And the ingredients of O2 have capabilities to become an aphrodisiac. That means increasing your male endurance. So how to use O2? So the recommended usage is simple. Take one sachet, just like Oncobank, take it in the morning with 250 to 300 ml of normal or even warm water. And sip it slowly on empty stomach. So you can have one capsule 30 minutes before breakfast and one capsule 30 minutes before dinner. For best results, drink a minimum of 3 liters of water daily, around 2 to 3 sips every 20 minutes. So by taking this, you will get results which we can tell is 10x of Oncobank. So one of the ultimate products that helps us to energize ourselves and detoxify and give us the ultimate protection from the free radical damages, O2, my dear friends. Once again, O2 is not recommended for children, kidney failure and transplant patients, and also pregnant women. Friends, let's get on to the next product, which is called the ultimate fat buster. Friends, this is the product for which I came into the company, because before Viber Gold, we had a product called Viber, through which we could reduce our weight without changing our food, and that's what instigated me. And Viber was a product that helped me to reduce more than 11 kilos in 3 months. And today, we have got the more advanced version of Viber, that is the Viber Gold. So Viber Gold had only the sachet part of it, okay? But today, we have the Viber Gold, which has the sachets along with a capsule with around 12 ingredients that help us to reduce our fat much safer and much faster. So if I talk about the health benefits of Viber Gold, friends, the first is, in earlier Viber, you could lose from 4 to 5 kilos per month. But here we have Viber Gold, which can help us to lose 2 kilos of body weight per week. That's important, around 8 kilos a month. It's fantastic, okay? And the beauty is, you no need to avoid your regular food. By having your regular food, you can still reduce your weight by around 2 kilos per week. And since it does not contain any protein, it is 100% safe for the kidneys. And it also helps us to protect our heart by removing the bad cholesterol from the body. And it also helps us to maintain balanced glucose levels. Viber Gold is also very rich in antioxidants. And Viber Gold increases our metabolism and energy levels. And Viber Gold helps in digestion and relief from constipation. And it also helps us to relieve pain in hand, legs, joints. So with all these positive effects, friends, imagine having a weight loss. That's one of the best things that can happen to anyone who wants to lose the weight. And when you lose weight, Viber acts as a natural anti-aging agent and supports us to have a happy and healthy sexual life. And it also gives us a fullness by just having 1/4 quantity of regular meals. And it helps us to reduce the cravings. So with less cravings and more benefits and losing around 2 kilos per week, friends, I can tell you this is one of the most unique products in the world for anyone to lose their weight up to 2 kilos per week naturally. Hats off to this product. I'm sure that people would now enjoy losing their weight through Viber Gold. How to use this? Friends, since there are 60 capsules in this, use one capsule 30 minutes before breakfast and one capsule 30 minutes before dinner. And you can have the sachet 15 minutes before your meals. In case you're using it twice, before your breakfast and dinner. In case you're using it thrice, before breakfast, lunch and dinner, 15 minutes before, have a sachet. Take a shaker cup and fill the Viber Gold and around 350 ml of water. Shake it and drink it immediately. And follow up by another 250 ml of normal water in the same shaker cup. Shake it and drink it slowly. So after 15 minutes, consume around 1/4 of your normal food. Friends, to come to 1/4 of your normal food is not easy. It might take around 8 days to 8 to 10 days. So during this first 1 week to 10 days, please reduce your quantity of food consciously. After 8 to 10 days, your body gets used to it and you will enjoy having a full stomach by eating just 1/4 of your regular food. But most importantly, friends, if you really want to enjoy the benefits of Viber Gold, drink 80 to 150 ml. That means 4 to 6 sips of water every 15 to 20 minutes so that you keep your body hydrated and allow your fat to be thrown out from your body. And as you keep losing your weight, friends, you can reduce the quantity of the Viber Gold according to the BMI chart. So through this, friends, many people have got fantastic results, and I hope you too enjoy the benefits of Viber Gold by losing around 2 kilos per week of your body weight. Friends, coming to the next product, a product that is necessary for everyone in the world, because today one of the biggest problem is the fractures. The intention of our company is to create a fracture-free world. Friends, there are 3 ways when you tackle fracture. Number 1 is prevention of fracture. Number 2, reversal of fracture. And number 3 is reversal of an osteoporosis. So for this, friends, our doctor has created this product called OsteoDense, a product which is an amalgamation of Ayurveda and allopathy. You have a combination of both, which help basically in 3 ways. Number 1, OsteoDense it works in improving the quality of the bone. It strengthens the bones. Number 2, OsteoDense also helps us to strengthen the muscles which are connecting the bone. Plus, the OsteoDense also helps us to increase the cartilage between the bones. So these 3 basic things, which is making it unique, one of the most unique products in the world that helps us in reversing osteopenia and osteoporosis. Friends, how to use this? So once again, OsteoDense is a combo pack. A pack containing capsule as well as sachets. So you can have 1 capsule in the morning, 30 to 35 minutes before breakfast. And for people, you can have 1 capsule 12 hours later. That is around 30 to 35 minutes before dinner. And the sachet, which contains a powder, you can mix it with 200 ml of water and consume it between your lunch and your dinner. That's around 5:30. So with this, you can have fantastic results. So people who want to prevent this disease from happening, please take it for 3 months. And for people who are just having the beginning of the joint pain, can consume this product for around 4 months. And for people who have osteoporosis, can take it from 6 months up to 9 months until their T-score is coming to normal. So when you talk about T-score is a method by which you can test how strong is your bone. And here you have got some live examples. Before that, once you take OsteoDense, most important is expose your body to at least 20 minutes of sunlight every day and have at least 30 minutes of walk. That will help you to have much stronger bones and make the whole world fracture free. Friends, here, like I said, you the T-score. So you could see here the documented result. So before taking the OsteoDense, the T-score was -2.3. And after OsteoDense for around 1.5 months, it is -0.8. That means here you can see if it is above -0.1, that means your bones are normal. And the same way here, you can see one more documented testimonial. The T-score before was -2.7, and with around 40 days, -1.6. You can see the actual documented improvement in the bones. So this is a product, friends, which I recommend that you have it for everyone, especially your parents. So parents, they don't tell what they have, but when you give it to them, this could be one of the biggest blessings that you could give back to your parents so that they can have a fracture-free life for the rest of their life. And today, friends, we have got one more product that is called Drums Up, a product that brings out the thunder within us. The basic intention of the product, friends, was to create an anemia-free world. You know that today many people are having anemia. No sufficient RBC in the blood, so no supply of nutrition to the body in the fullest way. And second most important, more stress on the heart. So to come out of that, doctor has created a product with a combination of Ayurveda and Siddha. So a combination of more than around 60 ingredients that could help us boost your RBC and in turn boost up the complete activity of your body. Friends, the benefit of Drums Up is, number one, it helps to increase the RBC production. Number two, it helps us to boost immunity. And Drums Up helps to support pregnant women. After the 4th month, even they can take it safely, and it can be also given to the lactating mothers. And Drums Up helps in improving the skin health, and it helps us to control high BP levels and hypertension. And Drums Up is good for the brain health and helps to enhance memory and cognition. Drums Up also improves respiratory function and relieves bronchial asthma. It is good for preventing kidney stone formation. Drums Up helps us to increase energy levels, stamina, and endurance. And this is one of the best things that can help athletes to perform naturally. Drums Up improves the endocrinal function, which is the main functions in our body. And Drums Up also helps us to reduce stress and fatigue. Drums Up helps us to strengthen the bone and the teeth, and it also helps us to protect against stomach ulcer. Finally, friends, Drums Up helps us to achieve better sleep pattern and decreases anxiety, and it also helps us to reduce rheumatoid arthritis symptoms. So overall, friends, Drums Up is a product that can increase your RBC and reduce the load on your heart, give more oxygen to all your organs, and we help you lead a fantastic life. Should I take Drums Up throughout my life? Not necessarily, friends, because Drums Up, it's recommended take 1 capsule after breakfast and 1 capsule after dinner, and 90 days of Drums Up may be enough for the week. You can continue this for up to 6 months, stop it, and then continue for the next year. So here is, friends, Drums Up to create a anemia-free world. So if you really don't want to document your results, you can take your complete CBC test before you starting your Drums Up and take a result after 90 days, and you can see the documented results, my dear friends. Now, here is Dr. Chella, who has received the COVID-19 Warrior Award on 29th of July 2020. Why? Because today, Dr. Chella and his team have created one of the products, one of the best products, and one of the most unique products with which we can combat any type of a viral attack, including even the present scare that is of COVID. Friends, that product that will really give back life, a product that is a necessity in every home, is the product that I'm going to share with you. And friends, this product is Virun, the Life Guard. And this is the product which is derived from more than around 32 ingredients, which is a combo product which has sachets as well as capsules. A product that can give back life to people and protect people from various viral attacks, including the COVID. So if I talk about the health benefits of this Virun, friends, we know that we don't have to kill the virus. Only thing, we have to contain it. We have to prevent the virus from duplicating. So all you have to do is, what Virun does is, it helps to prevent the duplication of the virus. So once it is helping to prevent the duplication of the virus, and on the other side, it increases the immunity and restores the normal pH in the body. So when these two things are done, the body is able to act upon and reduce all the problem that's created by the virus and let us have a healthy life. So with Virun, we can also protect ourselves from most respiratory viral infection, and it also helps to prevent the viral threat. How? By reducing the symptoms. Because Virun helps us to manage the symptoms of cold, cough, sore throat, fever, and it also improves us mucus secretion clearance. So it helps us to protect from the inflammation of the heart. And Virun helps us to reduce depression, anxiety, and stress levels. And Virun also helps us to reduce the risk of diabetes and maintain blood sugars. So people with diabetes, take care of while taking Virun. Measure your diabetic levels, and you can see that you will have to reduce your medications because it helps in a very big way in lowering down your sugars. And Virun also helps us to overcome bronchitis, asthma, allergies, etc. And Virun helps us to prevent cancer cell formation and also prevents cell mutations. And Virun also helps us from autoimmune disorders. And friends, Virun also improves us to have an improved brain function, and it also promotes a healthy mind. Virun also helps us to improve appetite, digestion, and also balance the stomach acid, friends, and it also takes care of your organs like liver, gallbladder, kidney, urinary tract, etc. So overall, friends, one of the best ways that you can combat any type of a virus, including COVID, I would tell today, the best and the ultimate product in the world would be Virun. So I recommend that each and everyone have a couple of boxes of Virun in their home, just like you have this fire extinguishers in every offices and things. So just like that, just like the fire extinguisher, the lifeguard, you can have Virun as a lifeguard in your home. So for people who are normal, they can take it for prophylaxis, and people who have already got any viral attack then complete that 1 month course within 15 days and isolate themselves and come out of any type of this viral attack. So this is something which should be the biggest blessing for whole of humanity. So these are the products, friends, which our company has launched, and the recommended dosage for prophylaxis, you have 1 sachet once a day and 2 capsules in a day, 1 in the morning, 1 evening. For people who already got any problems, you can double the dosage and finish this 1 month dosage within 15 days, and you can go towards a better life and a better lifestyle. So friends, these are the products that we are having so far, because these are the products that are very much a need-based product for every home, and our mission is giving good health to the people. So with these products, friends, are we giving one of the best health opportunities to the world? Yes or no? 100% yes. Friend, our mission doesn't just stop with giving health. Our mission is also to create entrepreneurs. See, today in these troubled situations, people are requiring 2 things. One is health and one is wealth. So health is given by the products of Vivitos, and that's not all. Today we are also giving an opportunity to have an unmatched wealth in the world, where you can create unmatched wealth starting now. How is that possible? It's possible because one of the ultimate plans, which is called the Next Generation Compensation Plan, a plan that does not end with you. It also gets on to your next generation. Friends, if I talk about the highlights of this plan, so a company which is giving one of the highest matching bonuses in the world right at the beginning, right at, you don't have to wait long to get into this, and 50% of the turnover is given as payout, friends, and an opportunity where you can earn unlimited income with the blessings of people, because when people get health, the income that comes through, the wealth comes with the blessings. And of course, a company which is giving an opportunity for you to earn even from your client. A company that is giving you a chance to have the turnover sharing of the company, and in our company, only TDS is deducted, nothing else, and one of the most ethical companies where for 1 PAN, you have only 1 ID. Now, how to get started, friends? Simple. So you can choose a product of your choice. For the first time when you buy the product, you're getting the product at MRP. And thereon, whatever you do, you get the products at a distributor price. That means if you're using the product for yourself, first time you own one product, you get at MRP, and the next you can get it at a discounted price, which is the distributor price. And you can notice also, friend, that every product has a MRP and it also has a business volume. Okay? So all the payments in our company are made on the business volume calculation. So when you talk about how to start the business, So you can start with a pack called an Elite pack, which is a beginner's pack, or an Ultra pack, or a Galaxy pack, or one of the ultimate pack that is called the Leaders pack. The choice is yours. So to get into the company with the Elite pack, you can buy any product of your choice, any product with as low as 2,100, through which you are given an earning potential of up to 1 lakh per week. That's around 4 lakhs per month. Imagine, friends, starting a business with 2,100 and getting an opportunity to earn 4 lakhs per month. Like it will take 2 years, it will take 3 years. Tell me, which is the opportunity in the world that you can start with as less as 2,100 and earn up to 4 lakhs within, let's tell, 3 to 4 years. So that's an opportunity given to you by Vivito's friends. And if you want to upgrade to the Ultra pack, all you have to do is repurchase product worth 2,000 SV. So what happens? Once you repurchase product up to 2,000 SV, your earning potential goes to 1.5 lakh per week. And after that, if you are making a repurchase of 3,000 SV, your weekly earning potential can rise up to 2 lakhs per week. And after that, if you make a repurchase of 5,000 SV, your weekly earning potential is 2 lakhs and unlimited. So remember, friends, unlimited. So to upgrade to either the Ultra, Galaxy, or a Leaders pack, friends, you have 90 days from the day of joining. And when you're repurchasing the product, friends, you're buying it at distributor price. So first thing is you're getting the product at a discounted price, which is going to help you to come to the next level of the pack. Or friends, if you want to really overall make a repurchase like 5,000 plus 3,000 plus 2,000, at one time you can upgrade to Leaders pack. So that means your total cost of upgrading to the Leaders pack would be around 26,500. But friends, you don't have to worry about that, because today, now Independence, or 15th of August, our company is giving us a fantastic offer. So instead of going for a Leaders pack for up to 26,500, you can get one product of each. Okay? And if you accumulate all the product, the cost of the product at MRP would be 21,300, but you could get all this product for just 18,000, and your pack would be the Leaders pack. You would get all the benefits of a Leaders pack. That means with 18,000 rupees, which is a total of 10,000 business volume, you get one product of all which the company has, and it is considered as a Leaders pack. So friends, if you really, I'm talking about an opportunity where you start a business with 18,000, you get products worth 21,300, and start a journey which can get you into unlimited wealth. I think this could be one of the best ways to start with Vivitos. Vivitos, friends, there are 11 types of incomes, 11 types of bonuses. Okay? As you keep growing, your bonuses also keep growing. And our weekly payment, our bonuses are paid every week. Okay? And cutoff is happening every Thursday at 11:30 p.m. And the commission day is the next Tuesday. Friends, the minimum payout required for a bank transfer is 1,000 rupees. Now, let's get into how you can earn from Vivitos. So first thing on Vivitos, friends, what you do is you're able to have a better life, a better health for yourself, because you're getting products which are worth 200% of what you have paid. That's the most important thing. Okay? Products which are going to give you fantastic results. So the first way you can earn is the primary profit from your personal business. That means you buy at DP and sell at MRP, and the difference could be as around 600 rupees per box. That could be a retail profit where you can create a lot of customers. That's one way of doing things. But today, that's called the hard way. But today, that is also called a smart way. A smart way means you can create a team. You can teach what you have learned to your team, and as they keep learning and keep doing the business, you get different types of incomes, and one of the biggest incomes that you'll be getting from them is the combination bonuses. Friends, then you will ask me one question. Sir, I'm alone. I don't know much about this. Still, can I earn money? Sir, you are not alone in this business, because in our business, in Vivitos, you have a 3D supporting system. You have a 3D supporting, 3-directional supporting system. The first support comes from your sponsor, a person who is introducing you. He He'd be there to guide you how to get on with the business. And the second supporting system comes in from the team. So where you have team meetings, team trainings, where the team helps you to grow in your business. The third thing, the most important thing, is the Vivitos Training Academy, where our company helps us to have various type of trainings where you're able to improve your skills and come more ahead in life. And more important than, my friends, I would tell, it's not a 3D supporting system. The biggest supporting system comes from our products, because all the products of Vivitos are giving amazing and excellent results which people cannot keep it to themselves. Even if they don't speak, the product results speaks. So once you start speaking, all you have to do is the people to support are there. You have only one duty. What is that? Invite and share the product benefits with your friends and people whom you know who would like to have a better lifestyle. Friends, once you start doing this, people will not just be a product users, they will also be a part of your system. So once they become a part of the system, and once you start building up a team, you earn one of the biggest incomes in the history of networking, friend, and that is called the combination bonus. That is called the sponsored team matching bonus. Friend, let's suppose this is you, and after using the products, your friend decides to join, and the person joins with 15,000 business volume. That is sponsored volume. And one more friend of yours, he sees the product, he loves it, he joins with products of his choice, which amounts to 9,000 SV. And that's all that happens in this week. So what the company does in the week, how does it calculate your income? It matches these two teams, A and B. And so one said 15,000 SV, one said 9,000 SV. When you match it, that's 9,000 is the pair match. Okay, so how much of a pair match is that? Company gives you 12% of the pair match as your combination bonus. So 12% of 9,000 is 1,080. So that's the income for you for that particular week. And the extra 6,000 SV, which is from team A, is carried forward to the next week. Now let's go on to the next week, and let's suppose in next week your team A, the person in team A, is able to duplicate this business and introduce 4 people into the business who are really doing this in a big way. And let's suppose all these people join with around 50,000 SV. Okay, and that is the last 6,000 SV. Now let's suppose team B. Here you have not done anything, but the team B person took this business to the next level. He introduced 3 people, and one of them even duplicated further in the next 1 week. And the total business that generated in the team B is 30,000 SV. So the overall business in team B is 30,000 SV. And during that week, before the next Thursday, you also introduce one more person who joined with a Leaders Pack 15,000 SV, and one more person who joined with 10,000 SV. So friends, now here there are 4 different teams, A, B, C, D. So how is the company going to pay you? Simple. The company is going to match the first and the second highest team. So in this, which is the first and the second highest SV team, A and B. So one side 56,000 and one 30,000 matches, and there is a carry forward of 26,000. So if there was no C and D, this would be carried forward to the next week. Since you already got the business from C and D, now what the company does is matches that carry forward with the next highest line, that is C. So one side 26,000 and one side 15,000. 15,000 is the matching, and the carry forward is 11,000 SV. And this 11,000 once again is matched with the next highest line of 10,000 SV. So 10,000 is the matching, and 1,000 SV is carried forward to the next week, because there are no more lines, no more teams. So the overall matching is 55,000 SV. So company pays you 12% of it, and that is 6,600. So through this SV matching, friends, for people with Elite can earn up to 1 lakh, Ultra or 1.5 lakh, Galaxy 2 lakhs, and for people with the Leaders Pack can earn 2 lakhs and also unlimited. Friends, if you're able to really understand this 2 lakhs and unlimited, this could change your life the way you want it. Let me go with an example. Let's say that 4 years down the line, for the people who are with the Leaders ID, let's suppose you've got teams A. They are doing in a week around 25 lakh. B is doing around 22 lakh. C is doing around 21 lakhs. D is done around 18 lakhs. So what the company does is matches the first and the second highest teams. So in this case, it's A and B. So one side is 25 lakhs, other side 22 lakhs. So when we match, it's 22 lakhs. So 12% of 22 lakhs is 2,64,000. That means you have broken the ceiling of 2 lakhs and you are paid 2 lakhs for the first and the second highest SV match. And in the week that you break the ceiling, in that week, the rest of the lines, other than the first and the second highest, the rest of the lines, the company pays you directly 10% of each line with a ceiling of 2 lakhs per line. For example, C, 21 lakhs is the business done. So 10% of 21 lakhs is 2,10,000, but the company pays you 2 lakhs. 18 lakhs is in line D. So 10% of 18 lakhs is 1,80,000. So you might have any more lines, straight away company gives you 10%. Friends, we know that in networking there are two types of business plans. One is basically called the binary, one is called the unilevel. This is the first time in the world where there's a combination of both. So in binary, you can have unlimited depth income, but you can have only 2 lines. And in unilevel, you can have unlimited width, but the income comes only from limited depth. But first time in the history, my friends, here you have a combination of unlimited depth and also an unlimited width. From each and every line of yours, team of yours, you can earn 2 lakhs per week. Let's suppose 5 years from today, you got around 40 lines, 40 different lines. That means you are entitled to earn 40 into 2, 80 lakh per week. So we are talking about incomes that are in 2, 3, 4 crores also is possible in the next 5 years, friends. And that's an opportunity that Vivitos is giving you for just a simple joining of 18,000. So 18,000, learning process, education, improving your lifestyle, and going up to even unlimited income. Even we are talking about 1 or 2 crores per month in next 4 to 5 years. Friends, I think this is a plan that could raise anyone's level to what they want. It could be the dream of anyone who wants to be successful in life, because networking is a field that grows you in all spheres of life. And that's not all, friends. It's not just the money. It is also your ranks. Once you earn different cumulative income, which is coming through the combination bonus, you are starting from a star director up to a crown diamond. So when the cumulative earning is 3 lakhs, you're a diamond director, and when the cumulative earning is 1.5 crores, you're called a crown diamond. But friends, the most important landmark for you, the first step for you is to become a bronze director of earning 10,000 cumulative earning. Simple or difficult? It's very simple. The friends, once you start earning, becoming a bronze director, you're entitled to incomes that will be unbelievable. Why? The moment you become bronze director, you start getting the infinity bonus, an income which has no limit. You're also eligible for the income called the Star Team Infinity Bonus. Okay, and you also become eligible for the Leaders Double Bonus, where you are paid up to 24% matching bonus for the joining SV. So this is a fantastic way of honoring people who are really working hard right at the beginning, not at the end. So a fantastic thing, and all these details will be given to you in detail once you are getting into the system later. And once you become a silver director, apart from Infinity, Star Team, and Leaders Bonus, you also become eligible for earning from your uplines. This is called the Leaders Support Bonus, friends. And that's not all. Once you become Blue Diamond, that means at 20 lakhs, you're also become eligible for the company's 1% turnover pool sharing bonus, which is paid once in a year. And it's going to be a very huge amount, friends. And that's not all. It's also the lifestyle bonuses. Lifestyle bonuses where you can earn vacations, cars, house fund, gold fund, and also car fund. And that's not all, friends. For people who really enjoy vacations every year, that is an international trip every year in our company, and that is exotic yearly international vacations. So it is not just money, it's also lifestyle, and it's also looking into the world in a different manner. So all these things are available through Vivitos, friends. And you might ask me, sir, is there anyone who has achieved the minimum, okay, diamond director, have they got the car, friends? Yes, friends, there are more than 80 people who have been eligible for the car, friends, and here you have seen quite a few people who have achieved their cars, and for a few people, it is the first car of the life, which has come as an achievement. So you too can also go for it. You might ask one more question, sir. Car is fine. What about the higher ranks? Has anyone achieved it? Friends, the highest rank in our company so far has been the Crown Diamond. When you become a Crown Diamond, you achieve 30 lakhs worth of luxury car. And yes, it's now 2.5 years that the company has come. Has anyone achieved it to show that it is possible? Friends, yes. The person who achieved it is a person who really loves the product. A person who's really a product-oriented person. A person who never thinks about the plan. A person who really thinks that the best of the product should reach out to the people. And friends, a person like that, he's the one who achieved this car, and that person is the person who's sitting right in front of you, friends. Yes, this is Dr. Muhammad Munawar, and this is my first car of my life. It's an Audi Q3, okay, a car that really, which I could not earn in around 25 years of being outside India, okay, in different countries, but I could achieve this within 26 months of being with Vivitos. Friends, if I can do it 100%, you can do it much, much, much faster. So grab the opportunity, go into the next level, and see that you are taking your whole momentum to the next level. Friends, it's not just about money, it's not just about the achievements, it's also about education. Friends, we have got international trainers who are coming for imparting various training courses that could help people to have a much better life. Okay, so we are talking about the best products, an opportunity, and most importantly, an opportunity to take India to the whole world, an opportunity that can change the health and the life of all your family and everyone around you, an opportunity that can really change your life during these difficult times and even later, an opportunity that could take an Indian flag to each and every country in the world, because the products which we are having are products which are purely, like our leader says, make in India, made for the world. So that's exactly what I would like to take this opportunity to the whole world and let our country, let my country, India, shine in the whole world. So if I can do it, friends, you too can do it. Take an opportunity, and you take a call right now. So what you have to do, simple. What personally I would advise you, have one product of each. Okay, get into the system, learn the intrinsic factors of the system, and start going step by step towards your goal of achieving financial freedom, my dear friends. And what I have told you now was just a brief review about the company, products, and the business plan of Vivitos. And you can have complete details about this. There are a few videos on the YouTube, or you can meet the person who shared this link with you. So wishing you all great success in networking with Vivitos. So let's join hands together and taking India to the whole world. So thank you very much for your time, and hope you take this opportunity right into your heart and take the first step of keeping your family safe, keeping your family healthy, and taking your family health and sharing it with people and taking it out to the world and enjoy the benefits of such wonderful opportunity of our company. So friends, thank you very much for giving this valuable time of yours. So let's see you all on the top. Thank you very much. Over to Dr. Hussain.